Alright, so this is my 79 C10 that went out for rust repair and came back like this. The cab mount's been replaced. The floor has been cut out all the way up to that seam. This cab corner was good. The kit panel was not. I don't really feel like that's welded on there very good. I might redo that. So I'm kind of at a loss. When he cut all this stuff out, I don't know how far this pillar dropped. You know, I don't know if that's square. I don't know if these sills are square front and back. I got a measurement of about 48 inches off of one. What are you doing, Peanut? I'm not sure how off the other side there. So I'm guessing that this goes something like this. I guess the problem is that I don't know where. How far back? How far forward? Should this meet this curve? Should it be like that? Higher? Lower? I really don't know. And I don't know how to determine that. So, if anybody out there has any tips, by all means let me know, because this is an otherwise good cab and I'm just at a standstill on this project until I get this done or swap this cab, which I really don't want to do. I can't hang the door because this brace is welded here, although I suppose I could cut the brace off and weld it in here on the inside. I don't know. Any suggestions, please let me know by all means. I'm all ears. Thanks.